How to enable VODs on Twitch mobile. Hey everybody, if you guys are also wanting to do so, you may just follow up this step. So what you may do first of all is you can head over and access Twitch, which is Twitch TV. You need to go ahead and access it on the browser. It is not available in the app if you're on phone. So head over to browser, any of the browser available, and go to twitch.tv. After that, go to your profile and basically log in into your account like this. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now, what you need to do is you need to turn on the desktop mode. For that, if you're on the Chrome, you can look out for the three dot in the top right corner, tap on it, and go over to this option called desktop site, tap on it, and turn it on. And once you turn it on, you should be finding the desktop interface on your screen. And go to your profile in the top right corner. Once you head over to the profile like this, tap on it and go to create a dashboard and open up the create a dashboard on your screen like this. And once your create a dashboard opens up, you may look out for the menu in the top left corner right beside home. Tap on it, this one right here, and open up the navigation page here, and then zoom out and look out for settings option and open it up. And here you'll be finding stream channel and moderation. Go over to the option called stream, tap on it and open up the stream settings here. And you may hide this menu again, tap on the settings. And from here you may scroll down and look out for votes option. Here in the section, this one right here, we have this vote settings available. Now in order to enable it, you just need to tap on the store past broadcast option like this, and it should be enabled, and that is it. So therefore, if you would like to enable votes on Twitch mobile as well, so you may just follow up the process that I just showed you. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.